Do you want to go from this, a concrete ceiling with no lighting, to this, a clean modern ceiling with recessed lighting throughout? In Roosevelt Island, New York, our partner installer, City Ceilings, helped the new owner of a high-rise condo with that very problem. You see, they had concrete popcorn ceilings without any overhead lighting. Our installer designed the fabric ceiling system to accommodate 50 recessed LED lights throughout the apartment. The lighting engineer planned a dimmable lighting system and built 3 custom low-voltage electric panels with 18 transformers to power the LED lighting grid. Electrical panels were placed discretely in the closets, and 7 new dimmer switches were installed to control the 7 lighting zones. Data cables were also installed and hidden behind the stretch fabric ceiling. The end result? A beautiful custom ceiling with plenty of light to match the owner's vision. What's your vision for your ceiling? Visit us at popcornceilingsolution.com and tell us all about your project.